Welcome to my channel, Animal Stories. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth, known for their intelligence, strength, and deep social bonds. These magnificent creatures are found in Africa and Asia, each species having unique characteristics. With their long trunks, elephants can grab objects, drink water, and even communicate. Their large ears help regulate body temperature, while their tusks, made of ivory, are used for digging and defense. Despite their massive size, elephants are gentle and emotional beings, showing love, grief, and even a strong memory. Unfortunately, due to habitat loss and poaching, elephants face many threats. Conservation efforts are crucial to protecting these incredible animals for future generations. If you love wildlife, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content about the wonders of nature.